Is your 2017 Cadillac XT5 key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common culprit is a dead battery. Start by replacing the CR2032 battery inside the fob, making sure the positive side is facing up. Avoid cheap batteries as they can leak. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, the fob might need to be relearned, or there could be an antenna issue. We'll cover each of these fixes step by step. If the battery replacement didn't work, try the relearn procedure. This reprograms the fob to your car's body control module. You'll need to cycle the ignition and press the lock-unlock buttons in a specific sequence. Check your owner's manual, section 2.3, for the exact steps. If the key fob still doesn't work after relearning, especially if you live near the coast, the problem might be saltwater corrosion on the antenna, located either in the rear view mirror or door module. Consider using a rust inhibitor spray on connections. If these steps don't work, a dealership scan might be needed for BCM firmware updates or antenna module replacement.